Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Got a lot of emails over the last few weeks from people asking if I could show you some more cheaper items that sell on eBay. So for this week's video, here are 10 more of these items that sell on eBay. All these items, which I'll show you now, are live on eBay and they've all sold over 10,000 times by one seller. Okay, the first item that sells well on eBay are some Suitcase clothes bags, and these are sold 18,311 times. Note that some of these eBay sellers I'm going to show you now, they may not be in your country. However, most of these eBay sellers are selling these items to buyers all over the planet. Obviously though, not every product can be sold in every country, but from my experience from importing for over 30 years and selling on eBay for over 20 years, 95% of items that sell well in one country sell well in other countries. You can also very often sell the same products on eBay, Amazon and your own website if you've got your own website. Okay, the next item that sells well on eBay are some shipping labels, and these are sold 13,439 times. The next item are some black nitrile gloves, and these have sold 28,963 times. Next item is a first aid kit, and these are sold 28,903 times. The next item are some vitamins, and these have sold 19,578 times. Next item that sells well on eBay are some party balloons, and these have sold 28,698 times. Next item are some jelly beads, and these are sold 13,575 times. Next item that sells well on eBay is a fidget spinner, and they've sold 16,238 times, again by one seller. Next item is some cork sheets, and these have sold 15,019 times. Next item is some rope, and this has sold 14,584 times. So that's 10 low-cost items that sell well on eBay. That's all for this week. Please scroll down, leave me a comment below. And while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more eBay and Amazon hints and tips. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.